Good day everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a person or an object in Affinity. And nope, we are not using AI. I've got 3 sample images here, each with something I want to remove. Before starting, make sure you're in Pixel Studio. Let's start with the first image. I want to remove this guy riding an ATV. All I need to do is click the image or select the layer of the image. Grab the Inpainting Brush Tool. Adjust the brush size. Zoom in the image. And paint over the subject. Once everything is covered, just release the brush and let the tool do its magic. If you see minor glitches afterward, just brush over those areas again to blend them with the background. Now let's go to the second image. This time, I'm removing the yacht. Same steps as before, click the layer, select the Inpainting Brush Tool, paint over the object, release and wait. Again, a quick touch-up fixes any weird leftover marks. And it's done. And now we go to the third image. This one is super easy, because the person is on a plain snowy background. Just brush over the subject, and done. A few things to note. The inpainting brush works best when the object is relatively small and the background is clean or simple. If you're working with something complex and detailed, using AI tools like Canva AI may give you better and faster results. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and bye.